You know Ramses and Cleopatra. But have you heard of the Nubian king who ruled Egypt? The Kushite king Taharqa emerges as a figure of formidable influence and determination, recognized as a pharaoh of Egypt. Taharqa's reign signifies an era marked by grand architectural achievements and intense political confrontations. During the waning years of the Libyan period in pharaonic Egypt, a significant power vacuum emerged as central authority faltered. The Kushites, or Nubians, who resided south of Egypt, perceived an opportunity. However, their intention was not mere conquest. It was an aspiration to restore the grandeur of ancient Egypt. The restoration began with the Kushite king Pianki, or Pi, who, around 727 BC, advanced north against a fragmented Egypt comprising four rival kings. To Pianki, these rulers were akin to wayward children in need of guidance. His campaigns were marked by victories that saw these rulers transformed into his allies. Unyielding, Prince Tefnakt of the northern delta sought refuge, sparking a diplomatic negotiation. This ushered in the 25th dynasty, the Kushite Dynasty, in Egyptian annals. From Pianki's lineage emerged the eminent Taharqa, who succeeded his brother, King Shabitku, to rule as pharaoh. Taharqa, noted for his exceptional leadership and vision, became the most prominent figure of this dynasty, with a reign deeply intertwined with the formidable might of the Assyrian Empire. During Taharqa's reign, he demonstrated architectural prowess and spiritual devotion by erecting a grand column in Karnak's temple of Ammonius. His architectural marvels extended further to the Nubian region, where he breathed life into the abandoned site at Kawa, a dedication to Ammonius, illustrating his commitment to the son pharaoh Amenhotep III's legacy. However, Taharqa's reign was not marked solely by construction. It was a period of relentless warfare against the Assyrian Empire, looming as a juggernaut across the ancient Near East. The year 673 BC marked a confrontation at Ashkelon, alongside Egyptian-Palestinian extremities. By 671 BC, Assyrian forces under King Esarhaddon surged into Egypt, seizing Memphis. Taharqa's family was scattered, and he narrowly escaped to Thebes. Esarhaddon did not relent, but Providence intervened when he perished en route to another Egyptian offensive in 669 BC. Ashurbanipal, his successor and an illustrious Assyrian monarch, temporarily halted the Egyptian invasion. Yet, this reprieve was brief, as Ashurbanipal reinitiated hostilities, engulfing Egypt once more. Despite his resilience, Taharqa faced devastating setbacks as Assyrian forces captured Memphis and pushed southward, leading him to retreat to his distant capital at Napata. This relentless aggression led to the sacking of Thebes, with Montu-emhat, Thebes' noble mayor, forced into surrender. Despite this turmoil, Taharqa endeavored to secure his dynasty's legacy by appointing his cousin, Tanit as his heir, thus seeking continuity amidst chaos. As the curtain fell on Taharqa's life in 664 BC, his reign epitomized the challenges and aspirations of a ruler striving to preserve cultural heritage against insurmountable odds. His narrative stands as a testament to resilience, deft governance, and unyielding faith in the divine.